I want you to look at lesson number 1. Can you tell us what the Angry Bird has to do?
It's not 3 or 4.
You're right. Count with me. 1, 2. Because we leverage future-ready skills like computer science and multiliteracy, our newcomers are becoming effective communicators, collaborators, critical thinkers, and most of all, problem solvers. We have approximately 10 primary languages that are spoken within the community of Selma. About 1 out of every 4 students has been in our language development classes. So very diverse. Today we're going to be working on our computers. You're going to open your iPad and you're going to turn on your Wi-Fi. We're primarily an ag-based community. And so with that, many of our students have not had those opportunities with technology like other students throughout California. I want my students to have creative opportunities to demonstrate their language proficiency. We're going to start from the beginning. Why can't we marry computer science and language development? And then start with number 1. Every year, the students create an app. But in order for them to do the app, we have to build the foundational skills. And so we use an app called Lightbot. That Lightbot is a simple, kid-friendly, critical thinking app that allows them to accomplish certain tasks. As they progress through the different lessons, it becomes a lot more rigorous. Good job. Give yourselves a big hand. Then from there, we transition them into an online curriculum via code.org. Many of you had a hard time with activity 13, so take a look up here. So you can provide the content, but still have that language development right underneath. U and R makes the sound. And then the next phase, we use App Inventor by MIT, which really allows students to create an Android-based app.
La aplicación que estamos haciendo es como que nos ayuda a leer y a pensar críticamente para resolver algo que no sabemos.
What kind of app are they going to be creating?
Classroom.
Correct.
They're creating an app that has to do with language development.
Les puede ayudar a los que apenas están comenzando, como pueden, esa aplicación les puede ayudar a leer, escribir, a escuchar o hablar.
We are truly equipping our newcomers for tomorrow's world. To be able to create something and to share a passion project goes a long way, and it also engages students. When there's buy-in and you're allowed some freedom and especially to be creative, students get excited about the learning process. Guys, good job today. Let's put our stuff away.